Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to get a classic Microsoft Paint in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open any browser, and after that type a website is win7games.com. After that open it. Now you can see there are a lot of classic calculators and whatsoever things. So scroll down. Now you can see that the last is the classic paint, MS Paint. So click on a download paint. Now download will be started, and it's required of a few seconds to download it. And after downloading that, after inside right click and extract it. Extract here. Open a setup, and after that install in your PC. Click on finish button. Now you can see data like classic Microsoft Paint. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.